How to set screen color back to normal on Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on display. After you're in display, click on advanced. In advanced, you'll find screen calibration. Click on it. Here you'll find all the colors. You can simply click on natural at the top. If it's any other color, after you press on natural and make sure the dot is in here, and if there is screen inversion option, make sure you turn that off as well. After you turn off everything, the color correction, your screen will be back to normal on your phone, as you can see in mine. And this is how to set screen color back to normal on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.